Over the next several videos, we're going to be introducing you to some Unity terminology. Now, before I say anything else, let me say this. This entire section of videos is really intended for the complete beginner to Unity. If you have really virtually any experience with Unity at all, you probably know what all of these terms are, you know what they're for, you know everything about them, and you can skip this entire section. But if you're totally new, you're going to be seeing these terms a lot, and they can get confusing if you don't already know what each one of them means. So what are we going to be talking about? We're going to take a look at what a project is. We're going to discuss scenes. We'll take a look at packages. We'll talk about prefabs, which are just amazingly important. We're going to look at game objects, which is they're critical. Just about everything you're going to work with is going to be a game object on some level. We're going to talk about components, assets, and scripts. Now, each one of these videos is probably going to be fairly short, just giving you a quick rundown over what each thing is. The only reason that they've been broken up into individual videos is just so that if you don't want to have to watch one great big video with all of them lumped together and you just want to know what one thing is, you can just watch that video. So, without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump in, and we'll start with our list of important Unity terms.